Article 211 of the Indian Constitution places a specific restriction on discussions within the state legislatures. Here is a detailed explanation of the article. Text of Article 211. Restriction on discussion in the legislature. No discussion shall take place in the legislature of a state with respect to the conduct of any judge of the Supreme Court or of a High Court in the discharge of his duties. Explanation. Scope and purpose. Legislative debates. The article restricts state legislatures from engaging in discussions about the conduct of judges from the Supreme Court and High Courts. This includes both positive and negative comments or criticisms related to their judicial duties. Judicial independence. The primary purpose of this restriction is to maintain the independence of the judiciary. By preventing state legislatures from debating judges' conduct, it ensures that judges can perform their duties without fear of political repercussions or influence. Judicial conduct. Discharge of duties. The restriction specifically refers to the conduct of judges in the discharge of his duties, meaning their professional conduct while performing their judicial functions. This includes decision-making, courtroom behavior, and other related judicial activities. Exclusions. This article does not prevent discussions about the judiciary in general terms, such as judicial reforms or structural issues, as long as individual judges' conduct is not the focus. Implications. State legislature. Members of state legislative assemblies and councils are barred from discussing specific actions or behaviors of judges in their official capacities. This helps prevent misuse of legislative privilege to pressure or intimidate the judiciary. Judicial accountability. While state legislatures cannot discuss judges' conduct, there are other mechanisms in place for judicial accountability. Issues related to judicial misconduct can be addressed through appropriate legal and constitutional procedures, such as impeachment or inquiries by judicial councils. Balance of power. Separation of powers. This article reinforces the doctrine of separation of powers by clearly demarcating the boundaries between the legislative and judicial branches of government. It ensures that the judiciary operates as an independent branch, free from undue legislative influence. Mutual respect. The restriction promotes mutual respect among the branches of government, acknowledging the specialized roles and responsibilities each branch holds. In summary, Article 211 serves to protect the integrity and independence of the judiciary by prohibiting state legislatures from discussing the conduct of judges of the Supreme Court and High Courts in the discharge of their duties. This ensures that judges can perform their judicial functions without interference or pressure from the legislative branch. The Constitution of India. Part 6. The States. Chapter 3. The State Legislature. Procedure generally. Article 211. Restriction on discussion in the legislature. No discussion shall take place in the legislature of a state with respect to the conduct of any judge of the Supreme Court or of a High Court in the discharge of his duties.